Dr. Upasana's maths class. So in this question, we need to find the value of x. So whenever we have these types of question, what will we do? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we will get, if we square both sides, we will get x under root of x, x and x, right? And this is 27 raised to power 2. Then we will squaring both sides again. This will be x squared times x and then x under root x, and this is a raised to power m raised to power n is a raised to power mn. Then it will become x cube x under root x is equal to 27 raised to power 4. Then we will do squaring both sides again until we have square roots. X, this will become x raised to power 3 raised to power 2, that will be x raised to power 6, and then this is equal to x under root x, right, is equal to 27 raised to power 8. Then you get here x 7 under root x 27 raised to power 8. And then you will squaring both side, you will square both side again. We get, this is x raised to power 14 times x 27 raised to power 16. Now you get x raised to power 15 is equal to 27 raised to power 16. So we have here this, right? Now what we will do here, 27 raised to power 15. So it will be x raised equal to 27 raised to power 16 by 15, right? And what is 27? 27 is actually 3 cube. And this is 16 by 15 because we multiply powers. So this is 3 raised to power 16 by 5. And then it can be written as 3 raised to power 15 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to 3 raised to power 3 and plus 1 by 5, right? So this is 3 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 1 by 5, that is equal to 27, 3 raised to power 1 by 5. So x is actually equal to 27 and fifth root of 3.